Hello, this is the demo for Play and Learn Tech. When you get to the website, it will prompt you to register. By the time you do that, you'll be logged on and you'll be brought to a dashboard to take the computer literacy course, which is our demo content. This computer literacy course, by the time you click on it will get you to the content. However, you can see the leaderboard by the side. The leader by the right hand side. Leaderboard is where the students that have scored points taking the quiz are. So the first 10 students that took the quiz and passed, this is where you see those first 10. Then we get to the computer literacy content. You have what is computer, characteristics of computer, down to the history of computer. This is what the children will be learning. By the time you click on what is computer, which is the first content, just like a game, you have to finish learning the first content before you go to the next one. It will bring to you an animated video where we have our adventurers, Chioma, Ahmed, and Omolara. There are the adventurers that will take the children to learn these tech skills in a fun way. And the beauty is that there is so much there are images to show what they are learning so that they can be able to have a grasp of what they are saying. After each content, for example, this what is computer, after taking the child through, it will prompt the child to start a quiz. By the time the child clicks on start a quiz, it will want to understand whether the child have learned, whether learning have taken place. And by the time he clicks the right answer, it will turn green. Green means that the answer is correct. And you can click on finish quiz. And by the time the student click on finish quiz, it will bring out the 10 points because the child have scored well in that quiz. After the points have been given, it will prompt the child to take the next course,